Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Redmi Watch 5 Active, and this wearable is loaded with several sports functions or several workout functions. One of the sports here or workout is the walking activity. So I tested this one and checked it with my actual count, at least 1,000 steps. And here are the results for the walking test for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you are interested to see the results of the sports or exercise sports function for the Redmi Watch 5 Active, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and explore the walking sports function of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So we have here the walking. So we tested it one. And here's the result. We do have here the history. First, we have here at least almost 10 minutes of activities. We have here 710 meters or about 0.71 kilometer. Here's the summary. We have 52 calories burned, 122 heart rate, average heart rate, and 929 steps out of 1,000. Our count is 1,000 steps. So the details for the sports function, walking sports function, are average pace. We have here SPM, the stride, of course the heart rate we graphed. We have the highs of the heart rate 137 and the low is 101. And our activity is a category or categorized as light exercise. And here are the details here, additional details. So it is a pretty good sports monitoring function with several details or metrics for your activity. So we have the average here for the pace, cadence. What else do we have here? Training effect. And we do have the vitality score. On the support app, okay, when you synchronize your smartwatch with the Mi Fitness, we have the details here. So workout, we have the workout history. And here are the details of first steps. We have the details here. Okay, heart rate. Okay, it's easy to check it here. Again, out of 1,000 steps, we have 929 only. Okay, seems like it's almost 100 less or 70 less compared to the actual count. We do have the graph, although the count for the steps is far from the results. Okay, at least we do have some additional details here, which makes it at least complete details for your workout. I don't know why the steps is different from our actual count. The first steps, we do have 929. On the second one, we do have 937 and 716 meters, 121 beats per minute. Okay, and with the results, we have here the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. And let me show you the walking sports function that we have here. Walking, this is the one. Okay, let me show you the history here for the other one. Walking, 755 meters, 119 for the average heart rate. So almost the same here with our Redmi Watch 5 Active, but the steps is much closer here for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 with 987. Okay, I will show you the graph later on. Next, we also have here the result for our Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. And we have here the results. Okay, let's check if the data is somewhat similar. We have two sessions. This is our last one. Let's go with the first one. So we have the, let's see, calories, 121 beats per minute. As you can see, it's almost the same here for the heart rate. For the steps, 993. Okay, much closer to our count, 1000. For the calories, we do have 45.52 for our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and the distance here is around 0.75, 71 for our Galaxy, or for our Redmi Watch 5 Active, 0.71 kilometers. Okay, so the heart rate is almost the same, but the step counter is very different. More accurate for the Galaxy Fit 3. While for the second one, the same, as you can see here, 0.76, 996, almost the same with the 1000 count that we have. Okay, 45 for the calories. Okay, more accurate for our Galaxy Fit 3. For the heart rate, we have here 119 beats per minute, 121 for our Redmi Watch 5 Active. So as you can see here, the steps for our Redmi Watch 5 Active is a bit off, while for our Galaxy Fit 3 is much closer. The same with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Here's a table of comparison for the Redmi Watch 5 Active step counter. And we have here our first test as well as the second test. On our first test, we have 929 out of 1000 count and 937 out of 1000 count for the second test. And as you can see here, we compared it with other wearables. And the next table is all about the average heart rate, and as you can see here, it has a very good results, almost the same with Galaxy Fit 3 and a Smart Band 9. For the calories, it is a bit different, but not that far from other wearables except for the second test. Then we do have here the bar graph for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. As you can see, the result for the step counter is very far from the first, or very far from the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, then the next graph here is all about the average heart rate. We do have 122 and very close to the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Very good results here for the heart rate with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, then we have here our next graph, the calories. We do have 52, almost similar to the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Smart Band 9. It's not that far. I think the results here is okay for the calories burned. And the last table here, it is a comparison result with other wearables that we previously tested. And so far, the Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a poor results here, as it is the lowest in the accuracy test with only 93.30%. Okay, so what do you think with the steps count or motion counter or step counter of the Redmi Watch 5 Active? And I think it's okay, but if you want more accuracy, I think the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Mi Band 9 or the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is much better when it comes to counting the steps.